Okay everyone, picking up where we left off with the updates, the next item will be for the MJ main list, a new search filter and column for federal employee identification number. So right here when we go to our MJ list from the contact, MJs, and we have our list here, our filter is right up here as a search field and we have the column right here. Again, if you don't see them, all you have to do is go to the configurator to put them in here. Alright, and the last one will be for the referral source. The details page has now a display assigned commissions in the top panel option. So how do we get there? We go over to our, let me see, referral sources, right again under contacts. And right here we have to go to the details page of one of those. And as you can see here in the top panel, we have the ability to assign commissions. Before that, we need to go into edit mode, put the check mark on here and save our changes. Alright everybody, thank you very much for watching this list of this week's updates. The development team have done some amazing changes, so a shout out to them. And keep an eye out because these updates come out every single week on the Thursday. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day.